this is my first tutorial for you, tutorial 1, how to post a featured article on the blog. This should basically cover everything we spoke about yesterday on our Skype conversation, basically how to post an article and to make sure it appears on the front page like this article does. Okay, so the first thing is to log into the blog. So in your address bar, type wp-admin after the address. You will find a login box. So in the username, type in admin and password. I've already told you what that is. I'll probably email you it again just so you have a record, so just in case you forget. And then click login. Okay, so here's your dashboard. This will be changing soon. Oh, here we go, it's changed already. So these are your new stats that I've put on for you. So this will, as time goes on, you'll be able to see it's per week at the minute, so you'll be able to see how many views per week you're getting on your site and stuff. So obviously, and these are the top posts and the top searches and the most active things. It's really useful if you click view all, but that's another tutorial anyway. This one's just going to show you how to post an article properly, and if you make a mistake, how to go back and edit an article or completely delete an article. So if you just click on posts on this left hand menu here, click that, and if you click add new, and now you need to find an article. If you're writing an article, you need to find a picture that will go with that article, because it's all about pictures. Everyone responds well to pictures. So this story I found just on the NewYorkDailyNews.com. It's about some company suing another company for patent infringement. So I found a picture, which I found, it needs to be a nice large picture, preferably above 1 megapixel, so you know, above 1,000 pixels wide. But I can help you find pictures and stuff like that. So if I just go back to here, so first thing, type in the title. And the next step is to add an image. From your computer, select files, scroll down, my picture should be here, and you'll see it comes up like this. First thing you need to do, don't worry about so much this stuff, you just want to copy this whole link URL. So make sure it goes from the HTTP all the way through to the extension .jpeg. Make sure you get it all, so just highlight it all and right click and press copy, and then you want to click insert into post, so that puts it at the top of the post so it'll look good. And then you want to preferably type like a subtitle to your post in bold. So my subtitle is going to be this. Make that bold. Obviously, because I've copied and pasted, I've lost that URL of that image, but I'll go back and get it in a second. So just ignore what I've just done there. I've just gone back and copied that URL because obviously I've had to copy and paste that text. So now that's all the article written. Scroll down, ignore this newsletter section, that's going to be another tutorial. Don't worry about excerpt, trackbacks. Come down to this section that says custom fields and select thumb. And in the value, paste the picture value into here and click add custom field. Discussion section, this you can untick allowing comments, so if it's like a site announcement, you know, not something that's so much a debatable argument, you can untick it to disallow people commenting. You keep allow trackbacks and pingbacks on this page, that's not a problem. You can change the author if you want, but at the minute there's only one author, so ignore this bottom section. And come back up to the top. You can save draft, preview, and publish here. But first, click to make sure it's featured. It must be featured or else it will not show on the front page. And here, add a few tags. These are just for people searching for your content when you have lots of content on your website eventually. So just put sex toy. Each tag should be followed by a comma just so it knows that the next thing you type is another tag. So sex toy, comma, company, comma, sues, patent infringement, comma, knock off, and just click add, and they will be here. So that's about everything. And if you just click publish, it should say post published, and then you can click view post, and now you can see this is the post. You can just go through and read it and make sure everything's okay. If you just click on the header, it should take you to the front of the blog, and you can see it's nicely been put here on the front page of the blog, and when you click through it's all nice and it looks good. So because we're logged in as the admin, on here, if you see something you don't like, or you've realised, oh no, I've typed something silly or there's a spelling mistake or something, just click here, edit post, and it brings you straight back to this page where you can scroll down and make amendments. So instead of that, I'll just put it as non-capitals and click update, and that'll change it instantaneously, and then click view post again and you'll see that has changed. So that is how you create an article and post it, and edit an article if you have made a mistake or you think you want to change certain aspects of it. If you want to completely delete an article, if I just log back in, whoops, so basically once you're logged in, if you just type in wp-admin again, it'll come up with your dashboard. If you go on posts, and these are all the posts, so you can edit any of the posts which you've made. They're in date order, so this one is obviously the newest one, so you can click edit and that'll edit, or you can click trash and that'll completely erase it from the website, and you can view it, or quick edit. If you click quick edit, it's just little things like titles and things like that, just little things. Just press cancel. And that's enough for this tutorial. I'll send you the link for this tutorial. If you have any questions, just email me or Skype me, and I'll start working on the next tutorial about stats and the newsletter. So thank you very much.